Here we go, Brittany. Brittany's skiing. February 21st, 2009. Grayson's here too. Big day. Aaron's here. The Rosenberg Crabtree First Family Ski.
Clothes are coming out. We'll fix that tomorrow. Put your arms out.
Brittany, show us what you got.
I just wrapped them. Yep. Start at the bottom. Whoa.
Bryn and Grayson are about to tear it up.
There you go. That looks perfect.
Let's see what they got.
2 feet so you can still lift her up. Okay.
Here comes Brittany. Woo! Yeah, Bryn! Wave at the camera! See you later! Grayson, we're going to catch up with you a little bit later.